I thought it would be fun today to take a look at my consignment booth, Sweet Tea and Whimsy. Today I took a few moments to stop by my consignment booth during my lunch break. And wow, I need to get everything restocked. I only just recently restocked the booth with a lot of old items and new Christmas decorations and fun things. And when I came in today, I was kind of surprised at how many items had already sold. One of the best things about having a booth is actually coming in to see what has sold. And sometimes the things that I put in the booth that I think will never sell are typically the first things to be sold. And this year, I took time and made a lot of homemade and handmade Christmas items to put in the booth. Everything from Christmas tree ornaments to crocheted kitchen scrubbies and facial washcloths to wreaths and mini Christmas trees. Just anything you can think of this year I made and put in the booth for sale. And wow, the items have been selling very quickly, and now to me the booth looks very sparse compared to when I stocked it just a couple of weeks ago. I have so much fun with this small booth. I believe it's no bigger than maybe 8 by 8, and it's just fun to put items in here and display them, rearrange them, price them with cute, decorative, inspirational price tags. Just like this small piece here. It's a cute little 3-tiered tray that I found while thrifting one day, and I painted it in these festive Christmas colors. And then I made these adorable little Christmas cupcakes that are made with cute Christmas cupcake holders, and filled them with yarn pom-poms with little pom-poms on top, and they are so adorable. They look like little Christmas cupcakes, and some of them I've put here on display on this 3-tier tray, and others I have hanging from a Christmas tree. I had a lot of fun making this small nativity set with little wooden pieces and pieces of felt, and this piece is just adorable. Here are some Christmas trees that I made with fabric scraps, cone shapes, and lots of embellishments. Here are some pretty Christmas tree ornaments. I love these red and white Christmas tree ornaments. They are just very stylish for the farmhouse and country style. look at these old songbook page ornaments that I made. They're all just different and unique and easy to make and so much fun to make. This was really fun. This is a tomato cage that you stake in your garden around your tomato plants, and I just simply flipped it upside down and tied it together so that it's in the shape of a Christmas tree, and I used it to display a lot of these Christmas ornaments that I made. So let's take a look and see what is all on this tomato cage Christmas tree. This is a cute ornament that you will enjoy. I just took some pretty decorative spoons that I had collected and bent them over so that they just hang perfectly on a tree branch, and I painted them as little snowmen. Here's some little pine cones that I decorated, some more embellishments for some round Christmas tree ornaments, some Mod Podged wooden tree slices decorated with old song book pages. Anything you can think of, I pulled out of the craft closet and used to make fun and unique Christmas ornaments that can be used to hang on your Christmas tree or as Christmas present embellishments. These were so much fun to make, and I hope that you pull some things from your Christmas craft stash this year as well and have some fun making some Christmas ornaments with things that you just have stashed away. You don't have to go to the craft store and buy new things to make. Just use what you have and be creative. Here are some little Christmas tree wreaths, another spoon that was painted and decorated. There are a lot of these that have been decoupaged with songbook pages and old book pages, and many of these. Oh, this was cute. This is some old fabric that I used to create this gingerbread man, and I even sprinkled cinnamon inside before I put the gingerbread man together. So he and these little hearts all smell so wonderful. They smell like Christmas cookies baking. So keep that in mind. If you make some pretty little fabric ornaments, you can sprinkle cinnamon inside and they just smell like Christmas. just showing you a couple of different styles of tags that I created for the items in my booth. This was one of the funnest things for me, was actually making the price tags. I enjoyed it because I used paper doilies, buttons, inspirational stamps, and pretty craft paper. All of these different things come together to make such pretty price tags for items in the booth. My husband took a beautiful piece of old barn fencing to make this sign for me that says Sweet Tea and Whimsy, and I absolutely love it. It's the perfect mixture of old country beautiful barnwood and a fun touch of feminine whimsy, and I can't help but smile every time I look at this sign. I love it. I am glad that you joined me today for this quick tour of my consignment booth, and I hope that you got some inspiration from some of the fun decorations that are in the booth. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time here on Sweet Tea and Whimsy.